We're at the meeting of the old bikes in Hamarau, I guess, and we will go through and pick the best motorcycles for you. Motorcycles which I think I like, of course, and we will see what we can pick up, and I will tell you something about these motorcycles. Behind you see my Yamaha, but you already know it. This is Yamaha XS 50 horsepower, wonderful bike. 4-stroke, of course, and one of my favorite bikes. I like especially the design of it. There were several colors. This one is just a late one from the 1975 or 1976, I guess. This one is interesting. It's a Suzuki 250 GT with ram air. The same ram air as on the GT 380 and 550, and I like that bike. It was not the fastest the Yamaha from the RT series, but quite fast. And they concur with the Kawasaki's triples. That's a Honda CB 550, not exact with the right pipe on the back, on the rear, but quite in good shape. 4-cylinder engine, 84 horsepower. Ein Auspuff, oder? That's an old BMW 750. I guess it's from the series of 5. Yes, it's series 5, and they have still the old drum brakes in front and back. But quite a nice motorcycle. I wanted to buy one sometimes, but my friend gave it away. Now that's a quite interesting one. It's a Triton. I thought it was a Bonvie, you know. I guess it's the engine, still the engine of the Bonvie. Front drum brakes, back drum brakes too, and changed to a sport bike. Quite interesting. Now that's a Moto Guzzi. I love Moto Guzzi all the time. It's an old T3, and it's from, I guess, 1973, 1975, latest version. And I guess I had 50 horsepower, and it was designed for riding in the mountains, I guess. It also was used from the police in Italy. It's a great bike, I love it. I didn't want to tape motorcycles, old one, but that one I want to tape. It's an old Chilera. I love Chilera.